So we just turn around and we need a spoon. We need a spoon, and then we start warm water. Be careful, of course. And then we try to get it off with some warm water before we oil it up. Dry it and oil it up, of course. Then we have an old spoon. Here we go. That should work. You have to be very careful with this old stuff, this historical stuff, because when you make a mistake, you destroy history. And in my opinion, this is living history, and of course I don't want to destroy this living history. So I always try to be careful with that stuff. And here we go. So now we dry it up. I got some paper here, some toilet paper, just simple toilet paper. And then we to get back to our working bench and clean that little part off also. Okay, here we go. Oh, very good. Very good, I think. Okay. And then we give it some oil, of course. Called the Iron Love oil. So, and some oil over up here. Here again, here, inside a bit. Okay, here we go. Okay. Then we clean it up. Clean it up. Clean that metal, that leather sheet up a bit. Careful, of course. It's an old one. And that plate. And then we go back to the bayonet. Get it up. Oh, that was this dirt from this one? No. Get it up again? Yes. Oh, it's a dirty one. Oh, okay. We can around here, go around here, go around here. Careful. Oh, what important is get some oil on this pressing button. That's important. Okay. Here we go. I hope you can do that, guys and girls. This is Dr. Jax from Guns and Cocoa. Please follow my channel. Give me a press on that follow button, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll get this bayonet back in its sheath. And here we are, nice and clean. Have a great day, and I hope to see you again, guys. This is Dr. Jax of Cars and Cocoa.